Hey guys, it's Joanne Leisure with Day One Accounting. Listen, knowing your numbers is non-negotiable. Imagine running your business without checking your bank account or knowing how much profit you're making each month. Sounds crazy, right? But you'd be surprised how many business owners are doing exactly that. They're out there hustling, they're promoting, they're selling, but behind the scenes, their books are a mess. And let me tell you, that is the recipe for disaster. Here's the truth. You can't make a smart decision if you don't know your numbers. If your bookkeeping is out of whack or your financials aren't accurate, you could be losing money and not even know it. Worse, you might think you're making money when you're actually in the red. I call it robbing Peter to pay Paul. Listen guys, I'm here to help, all right? Click the link and schedule a strategy call with me, and let me go through what you're doing with your bookkeeping, your numbers, and whether or not your business is even making money. I'll talk to you later. This is Joanne Leisure from Day One Accounting, because you gotta start somewhere. So, start with Day One.